How to clear Google Drive cache on Android. If any day any of you are an Android user and you would like to clear down the Google Drive cache on your very Android device, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to search the very icon of the Google Drive on your mobile device. For that, you can scroll left or right until you find the option of the Google Drive. Or what you can do is you can go to the search icon as well. After you find the very Google Drive, you have to tap on that. After tapping on that, now you have to go to the I like option. After tapping on I like option, it will take you to the app information option like this. Now you have to tap on the option of notifications. After tapping on notification, you have to allow the notifications and allow sound and vibration. After that, you can go back again, and after going back, now you can tap on the option of permissions. After tapping on permissions, you have to allow the permission to contacts, music and audio, notification, photos and videos, and also to the camera here. Now, since we would like to clear the cache here, what you have to do is you have to go back and then tap on the option of storage here. After tapping on the option of storage, you can see the option of cache here. You have to go to the option of clear the cache directly. And after tapping on the option of clear the cache, your cache will be deleted directly from the Google Drive, and this way you can do it. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.